7:38 in the morning. I just did 20 minutes on an art train. I managed to make it to a mile, and I used to think that was a girl machine, but it's a pretty good machine. And as you can see, I got a pretty good sweat on it. So yeah, it's a good machine. So now we're gonna do the rest of the workout. 4, 5, push it. 6, 7, 9. Hey guys, what's up? Haven't uploaded in what seems like forever, but actually it's only been like 1 day, maybe 2. I'm having problems with this streaming live thing. I'm about to just use my Mac like the majority of people do, but I just want to get that step up. I just don't want to be regular. I want to, you know, go a little bit above regular, that you know what I mean? So I bought that Elgato, which I have the return slip here. I'm gonna send it back. And I also bought the Blackmagic UltraStudio. I'm gonna end up keeping the Blackmagic UltraStudio, but I can't get that to work either. I've looked at all of the people that have them on YouTube, how to hook it up. I hooked it up correctly, downloaded the software, went to the Blackmagic website, updated the new software. I have it hooked up correctly. I tried uninstalling the software, installing it back. Got the right cables. It just doesn't freaking work. So I'm waiting till tomorrow, because today's a holiday. I'm waiting till tomorrow to call Blackmagic and maybe they can offer a solution. Maybe I got a bad unit, I'm not sure, but let me show you guys what I'm working with. I connect this to this, I connect that to that, and you can see that the Blackmagic powers on by that little LED light that's right there. Then I connect my HDMI cable to the Blackmagic like so, and I plug in my GH4. But when I go to the Blackmagic software, system preferences, to change it from SDI to HDMI, I get this. I even try to go to the application itself and still the same message comes up. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. I don't know, maybe I got a bad Blackmagic unit. Maybe my firmware on my Mac is just too new and they don't have an update for it yet. I don't know what's going on, but it's just so frustrating. All I want to do is live stream, guys. I had actually made an unboxing video of the Elgato and the Blackmagic for you guys, and I was supposed to upload that yesterday, no, day before yesterday actually. So it's been 2 days since I uploaded. I was supposed to upload that day before yesterday, but I didn't because I couldn't get the thing to work. And part of the video was, okay, I'm gonna unbox them, then I'm gonna go live with the Elgato because I didn't have my Thunderbolt cable yet. So that was an epic fail. So I didn't go live with the didn't edit the video and put it out. But then after that, I went to an event for this organization I'm part of, PhillyCam. So I took a bunch of footage yesterday, and you guys, well, yeah, yesterday, and you guys never got to see it. So since I made the footage for you guys, I might as well just show you guys the footage. So how do I transition? Roll memory going back in time transition. So here we have the Elgato HD60 S and the Blackmagic UltraStudio mini recorder. Which one should we keep? Please leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what your opinion is on both of these devices. I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna end up keeping the UltraStudio mini recorder by Blackmagic only because it's so robust, it's so tough, but we'll see. We're about to unbox both of them. So this is simultaneous unboxing. Are you guys ready? Let's go. So first of all, I just want to say thank you for joining me today, everybody. Checking my audio. So what we got here is the Elgato HD60 S and the Blackmagic UltraStudio mini recorder. This thing is definitely, just like everybody else said on their reviews, it's metal housing. Seems like it's gonna last a long time. This, on the other hand, is plastic. It's okay duty. It's like a typical cheap hard drive, I guess you could say. But it doesn't seem like it would break that easily, I guess. This has HDMI in. This has HDMI in. This has a USB-C port, and also it looks like an audio in, a mic jack, and a HDMI out. This has just HDMI out and a, what do they call this, Thunderbolt out, along with a SDI in. So you can either go in SDI or HDMI on this Blackmagic Studio design, and you can go Thunderbolt out. This one, you go HDMI out to your computer, HDMI in from your camera, or maybe USB-C in. And also there's an audio jack here, so I'm assuming you can hook up an external mic and go audio in here. So, I don't know, guys. I'm definitely gonna go live for my first time today, and I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna use the Elgato HD60 S to go live, only because when I bought my Blackmagic when I bought my Blackmagic UltraStudio mini recorder, I did not buy a Thunderbolt cable. So the Thunderbolt cable should be here tomorrow in the mail. So I basically can't use that. So we're gonna sit this aside until tomorrow. Maybe I'll go live tomorrow with it. So what's good about, actually, let me talk about this first. What's good about this HD60 so far, I like the fact that it actually came with cables. It has a USB-C cable, USB-C to regular size USB that plugs into your computer, and an HDMI cable. Blackmagic, on the other hand, comes with nothing, but it is a better build. It is a better quality thing. What do you want to call this? I'm going to use it for vlogging. This is for gaming. It's advertised for gaming. This one is actually advertised for more what I want to do, going live on your YouTube or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to say that I'm probably going to keep this because this is for what I wanted to do. And I think it's going to work great. I've looked at plenty of reviews, and I think it's going to work great for what I want to use it for. This will probably work just as good, but we're going to put that to the test. I'm going to go live today with this, and we're going to see how it looks. And you guys are going to be the judge. And maybe tomorrow I'll go live with this, and you guys can compare videos. All right, so yeah. That's it for right now. This is a very, very short video. I just wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail and do a little comparison to what they come with. This Blackmagic, if you buy this, only thing you're gonna get is this box, which kind of sucks. It's kind of a letdown for the price that you pay, but I knew what I was getting myself into because I heard other YouTubers say the same thing. This Elgato is probably one of the most popular live streaming devices on the internet. Maybe, I'm not sure. Actually, probably the most popular is just using your camera on your laptop, but I wanted to step mine up and use my DSLR. But I've also saw some great quality videos where people used webcams. Yeah, so that's an option. So special YouTube shout out to Michael Paulak, I think his name is. I hope I said that right, Paulak. he recommended that if I was gonna be serious with the going live thing, that I got this Blackmagic. Not this one. It was a more expensive one, which I'm probably gonna work my way up to. But this right here is sufficient for what I want to do for right now. So thanks a lot, Michael Polak. If it wasn't for you, I would just use this and call it a day. But I think this is gonna be better for what I want to do, and it's actually made for that specifically and not gaming. I assume you probably can game on this also, but that's not what I'm going to use it for. Maybe I will game though, but that's not what I'm going to use it for right now. And even on the Elgato, it says Elgato Gaming. So, you know, not to say that that's the only thing it's good for, because it's not. It's also good for, you know, a lot of people are using it for going live on their social media platforms. So yeah. Guys, this is just a short unboxing to show you guys what I got today and what I planned on doing with it. So the next video you're gonna see most likely, if not the next one, then the one after that, but definitely today, I'm gonna go live with the HD60 S Elgato, and you guys are going to, hopefully there'll be somebody on my live stream to tell me how it looks and stuff like that. And I can't wait to check out the OBS software, and I'll talk to you guys for a little bit if you guys are on here. So stay tuned. Let me give you guys a time. Okay, let's say it's 3:23 p.m. already, so, and I gotta be somewhere at 6, so I don't have much time. So I'm just gonna upload this video real fast, and I'm just gonna go live, guys, just to check it out. All right. One more thing I forgot to mention: if you want to purchase any of these products, any of these devices, product links will be in the description of this video. Just click on the link and purchase your Blackmagic UltraStudio mini recorder or your Elgato HD60 S, and a portion of that will go to help support this channel. I greatly appreciate your support, guys. Or if you want to buy anything on Amazon, just go through my link. I appreciate it in advance. So talk to you in a bit, guys. If anybody's having this problem, please don't hesitate to leave a message in the comment section and talk to me. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Like I said, I'm gonna call Blackmagic tomorrow and see what they're talking about. It's my son. See what he wants to say. Hey, Allan.
Hey, Daddy. Oh my gosh, I tried to film my second video today.
Yeah?
It was
YouTube.
an epic failure. That camera's, well, there's two things. That camera's bad.
Where were we? Yeah, right. So if I can't get this right, I don't know if I should, when I call Blackmagic tomorrow, if I can't get this right, then I'm just gonna, I don't know. I'm gonna give it 1, maybe 2 more attempts. Should I send back, if they can't rectify it over the phone, should I send back the UltraStudio Mini and get a new one to try that, or should I just send back the UltraStudio Mini and try a whole new Blackmagic thing? I think I want the big one with the with the screen on it, but then I'm going from 150 something, I think, to $500 piece. You know what I mean? Like that I'm not even sure it'll work. So yeah, guys, that's what I've been up to for the last few days, just trying to live stream. Hopefully I can get this right tomorrow when I call Blackmagic. If not, then I got some decisions to make. I'll probably send back the old unit. Well, I'm definitely gonna send back the old unit, and I'll probably just get the one that I want. So yeah, that's where I am. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.